In my previous video, I talked about collecting Palladium. I noticed that many people were having trouble with it, so I decided to record a more detailed video. I've also created a configuration file that you can download from my Discord channel. Just place it in your bot folder and use this exact config when collecting Palladium. Let's start by opening the bot. We're currently on map 5-3. First, go to the Plugins tab and select the Palladium module. Make sure to disable the Anti-Push option. As for Flash Patcher, I honestly don't know what it does, just disable it as well. It's better to enable DO Updater. That's all we need to do for now with the Palladium module. Next, go back and select the configuration again. Choose map 5-3, which is where we collect Palladium. You'll see the instructions. Read the message, this is the plugin developer's instructions. Now let's start setting everything up. Start with map 5-3. I use my battle configuration for collecting. You can set it as you want. Here, I set it to 0, because I don't plan to escape from anyone. Set the maximum death count to 0 because if you get killed too many times, the bot flies to the portal and shuts down. Also, set the respawn location to the portal so the bot always restarts there if it's destroyed. You can enable developer options. Leave everything else as it is. Disable run from enemies, because that makes the bot flee unnecessarily. We turn that off and leave the rest as is. Next, go to Map Zones. Select the area where Palladium will be collected. Then go to Safety Places and set everything to Never. Almost everything is ready. Go to the Collect tab. Collect, or 8. Delay, 750 to 800 depends on ping. Priority, -100. Leave everything else as is. Now go to the NPC killer settings. We're only interested in NPC mobs on map 5-3. Set the battle ray with a priority of 100. Set it to passive behavior, only shoot if the NPC attacks you. Set everything else to passive. That's the setup we need. Right now, I have 2,970 out of 3,000 cargo space. I'm going to test the Palladium module now. Everything is ready, so let's start. Let's respawn and send the ship. The higher your speed, the faster you collect Palladium. This allows you to collect more quickly and stay ahead of other players. You can see the Palladium getting picked up. Someone just passed us, we didn't make it in time. I'll speed up this part so you don't get bored. And that's it, I collected all 3,000 units. The bot automatically switched to the run config with full speed and shield. Now it's flying to exchange the Palladium. I'll speed this part up too. We're now on map 5-2. This is where we exchange Palladium. Keep in mind that bot will exchange only Palladium here. If you have other resources, like Premium, they will remain in your cargo. Only Palladium will be processed. When the bot collects again, it will collect Palladium only and return to map 5-2 to exchange it. So make sure your bot collects only Palladium, nothing else. Don't pick up any other items. I personally don't collect boxes from NPCs, only Palladium. Also, make sure your cargo is empty or contains only Palladium before you start collecting. Don't worry if there's a short delay, everything will be sold eventually. Once that's done, the ship returns to map 5-3 to collect more Palladium. Always make sure you're using the latest version of DarkBot. Updates often fix bugs, so it's important to stay current to avoid any issues. Whether you're collecting Palladium or doing anything else. Again, the configuration will be available in my Discord channel. I'll include the invite link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.